You wake up every morning to go to a job you don't like.
These two do not like each other. Oh.
Sometimes you even feel like you are not even moving forward.
About just being tired of my life not moving forward, you know?
Other times you feel like, should I just quit my job?
I wish I could quit my job.
Do you want to know the hard truth? The hard truth is just this. You don't need to quit your job just yet. But you do need to have a plan B. This plan B will later become your plan A. And then you will be able to quit your job.
That sounds like a good plan.
Sharing with you 5 side businesses that you could start as a 9-to-5er that is going to gradually become your plan B and down to your plan A within a matter of months or years, depending on the one you choose. So if you are interested in this, do hold on, as I will be right back. Hello smart quitters, my name is Prince Emetu. I am a 9-to-5er who is currently on my journey to quitting my 9-to-5 job as a digital marketer and a web developer in a company to starting my own business. Without wasting your time, let's move straight into the business of the day. Side business number 1 is video editing. On the rise of content creators in Nigeria or in the world at large, there is so much need for video editors everywhere you go. In fact, let me share you a secret. In the city where I stay, I find it very difficult to get even 1 or 2 video editors around me. And this is kind of a trouble or a big issue, because when you have video editors around you, it reduces the cost of data, because when you make videos and you give them you upload it on Google, it takes quite a lot of data to upload and also to get back the uploaded files for the video editor to edit. Now, having said this, if you know that you have what it takes, the editing skills that is needed to be a video editor, then this side business is one you should consider. With 3 to 4 hours of your time every day, you could edit good 1 video every blessed day. And funny enough, there are enough tools for you to use. You have CapCut, you have .io, and a couple of the rest. Some of them are free and some others need a little amount as subscription fees monthly. So if you know you are good with video editing, please write onto this business, because this business is for you and it can even turn into 6 figures in a matter of time.
That is wise.
Moving on to the next side business. This side business requires someone who wants to build his brand. If you have 2 to 3 years of your life to invest in a business without getting maybe enough returns, then this side business I want to talk about is for you. This business is no longer than being a YouTube content creator. Why I specifically said YouTube is because that's the platform I am on right now, and I have decided to be on this platform and maybe one other platform, LinkedIn, whereby I know my target audience are. But for you, maybe let's say you want to go into the fashion niche, you could decide to go into TikTok and YouTube. Why I love YouTube is because YouTube has enough room for you to create a community. YouTube algorithm is wired in a way that once you want to build a community, YouTube is a go-to place to be. Now, having said this content creation is one big feat. It's something that once you enter into this, you find out that there are multiple opportunities for you to build. Content creation needs some highly technical skills such as research, SEO, and SEM. There are a lot of things that you need to do, competitor analysis and the rest. So it might require you to take a course on either Udemy or Coursera. If you would like to go into those courses, you can check the link in my bio, where I specifically detail some particular courses that will help you up your content skills. Having said that, we're moving into side business number 3. Side business number 3 is also an online business. It's something that, though it might sound like it's saturated, but it's a business that is giving a whole lot of people good Benjamins in their accounts. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Now, if you're into content creation, another side business that you could start is social media management. Social media management requires good digital marketing skills. You need to understand the algorithm, you need to understand the target audience there. In fact, there's a whole lot of technicalities involved in it. So I would advise, if you want to take this as a side business that you want to turn into your side, do start it, and also before going into it, start a course. Take up a course. A complete digital marketing course would serve you so much better. And you can get this right on Udemy, Coursera, or any other educational site where you can learn and get maybe a certificate or a degree for it. Now, digital marketing is vast, so I'll encourage you to take your time slowly and adapt and learn this course very well. I, for one, it took me about 3 to 6 months for me to complete my course because I took it one step at a time. There are some courses that will even take you into WordPress websites designing, and this can also give you money on the side aside from your normal social media management. You could also learn how to manage websites, manage WordPress websites, and the rest, how to rank high on search engines like Google, Bing, Opera, and the rest of them. Now, having said this, we are now going into another side business which is also online, which is stock photography. Now, if you are one that knows how to use your phone or your camera to take good quality pictures, I honestly will say this: if you are not earning money from it right now, then you are missing a whole lot.
You are missing a lot out here.
Because there's so much potential in this business. Now, if you know how to use your phone, like I said, to take good pictures, I would encourage you to take a look at Pexels.com. You are going to see a lot of stock images on different niches. There are background pictures, there are nature pictures where you take pictures of maybe the sky at a particular angle, mountains, valleys. Depends. You could be a traveler, you could be one that loves traveling a lot, and you see a lot of things that you could take pictures on and put on those websites. Now, when you put it on this website pays you a commission when someone buys that your picture or wants to use that your pictures. You understand? So it's not like it's not a free stuff. It's something that when you do it, you're expecting payment. In as much as your images are high quality and good, they will definitely bring more traffic to your own site. So having said this, if you know you are someone that is good with photography and don't know how to go about it, let me know in the comment section, and possibly join our Quitters Win community. The link also is in the description. Let me know in the comment section if you're interested in knowing more about this. Then probably I may make a full video on just stock photography.
I get your point, okay?
So having said that, we're going into the final business. Before I said that, if you have gained any value from this content, please do endeavor to like, hit that share button, and also the subscription button. This will tell the algorithm that this is a good video for people like yourself and myself to view this content and gain more value in them. So without wasting your time, let's go to the final business. The final business is not an online business, an on-ground business. Imagine you getting up to, for those in Nigeria, getting up to 40 to 50,000 naira every week. That amounts to 200,000. Getting 200,000 naira on the side is something that is enviable. In 1 year, you could at least have, if not between 1.8 to 2 million naira on the side, aside from your regular 9-to-5 job. Is that not a way out? That can also help you start another business. I'm just saying. Now, This business is no other than logistics business. If you have been following my channel, you will see that I've done a video that suggested this particular business. Now, for this logistic business, it requires huge capital investment. When I mean huge, like really, really huge. If you're in Nigeria, you should be estimating at least between 1.4 to 1.6 million naira to get just one bike. Now, this logistic business I'm talking about is delivery. Basically, you work with delivery companies, or you deliver to people. You buy a bike, set it in order, register with the various agency, AMAC and the rest, and then you can start partnering with restaurants, online shops, maybe home tailors and the rest, whereby you can help them deliver their goods and services to their clients. Now, also another thing about this business is that it requires little time of yours. In fact, you could just do it maybe on Saturdays. You could just go out and supervise your rider, but the only risk involved is getting a good rider. It's difficult to, especially in this part of the world, because there are some rider that will make that bike look like in fact, when you see it in 6 months time, you think that the bike has been working for like 5 years. I don't know if you get my point. So
that is so true.
having said this, these are all I have for you today. But if you want to know why I chose content creation as the best side business to start as a 9-to-5er, click on this video where I talked about this. And there is a starter pack that I'm working on currently. So if you'd like to join the waiting list, where you'll be given discounts once the starter pack is ready, then we'll click on the link in my description box. Having said that, see you next time. Remember, smart quitters, we don't just quit, we level up. Bye for now.
Bye for now.